Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical kitchen hood, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from kitchen hood, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen hood from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hauslane 30-inch Under Cabinet Stainless Steel Range Hood Stove Vent for Kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Hauslane 30-inch Under Cabinet Stainless Steel Range Hood, a sleek, heavy-duty appliance built for serious home chefs. Perfect for heavy-duty cooking like frying, searing, steaming, or sautéing. This vent hood features powerful suction to eliminate smoke, grease, and odors effortlessly. The dual motor system and 6 customizable speed settings give you complete control over performance and noise levels, allowing for quiet operation while you cook. Its modern design with a touchscreen interface, warm LED lighting, and durable stainless steel finish fits seamlessly into any kitchen style. The dishwasher-safe Baffle filters make cleanup easy, while the delay shutoff feature adds convenience. Available in 4 stylish colors and 2 sizes, the Hauslane UCPS 18 is designed to match your kitchen decor and needs. Backed by a lifetime motor warranty, this under-cabinet range hood is the perfect combination of performance, elegance, and long-term reliability. Watch the video to see why it's a kitchen essential. Number 2. Tieasy Wall Mount Range Hood 30-inch with stainless steel chimney overstove vent hood with LED light. Upgrade your kitchen with the Tieasy 30-inch wall mount range hood, a stylish and efficient overstove vent hood crafted from premium 430-grade brushed stainless steel. Featuring a sleek, pyramidal design, it blends beautifully with most kitchen decors. This chimney-style range hood delivers 450 CFM powerful airflow with 3-speed push-button controls, effectively removing smoke, grease, and odors while maintaining a quiet operation at just 55 DCI bell. The energy-efficient LED lighting brightens your cooking space, while the 5-layer aluminum mesh filters are removable, reusable, and easy to clean. Designed for both ducted and ductless installations, the carbon filter kit, sold separately, fits 7.5 to 8.5 feet ceilings and can be extended to 10 feet with an optional extension kit. The Tieasy range hood includes all necessary installation hardware, chimney flue duct covers, a duct pipe, and a backdraft damper. Backed by a 5-year limited parts warranty, this range hood combines performance, durability, and modern style for a smarter kitchen experience. Number 3. SNDOAS 30-inch stainless steel range kitchen hood with ducted or ductless convertible stove vent hood. Upgrade your kitchen with the SNDOAS 30-inch black stainless steel range hood, a sleek and durable vent hood designed to complement most kitchen decors. Made from premium 430-grade stainless steel with a matte black finish, this chimney-style wall-mount range hood offers both elegance and long-lasting performance. Featuring 450 CFM powerful suction, it efficiently removes smoke, grease, and odors for a cleaner cooking environment. The 5-tub control panel makes it easy to adjust between low, mid, and high-speed settings, turn the bright LED light on or off, and manage airflow with ease, all while maintaining a quiet operation under 55 DCI belt. This hood is convertible for both ducted and ductless setups with a 6-inch top vent and included aluminum exhaust pipe, carbon filter sold separately. The removable 5-layer aluminum mesh filters are reusable and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. With adjustable chimney height and a 2-year manufacturer warranty, SNDOAS delivers quality and value in one stylish package. Number 4. VIKIO Home Range Hood Insert 30-inch built-in kitchen hood with 980 CFM touch control, 2 PCs Baffle filters. Upgrade your kitchen with the VIKIO Home 30-inch range hood insert, a powerful and sleek built-in ventilation solution designed for modern cooking needs. Featuring an upgraded 980 CFM motor, this hood offers 40% more suction power and 18% better sealing to quickly and efficiently eliminate smoke, odors, and grease. Ideal for both ducted and ductless kitchens, it includes 3 stainless steel Baffle filters and an optional charcoal filter, all easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Enjoy whisper-quiet operation with noise levels as low as 35 dBi, even while benefiting from strong ventilation. The advanced gesture and touch control panel with a 29-degree bevel design makes operation intuitive and responsive with a 99.5% gesture success rate and 3 fan speeds. Equipped with dual 3-watt LED lights and a 1 to 3 minute delay shutdown function, this range hood keeps your kitchen fresh even after cooking. With easy installation, included hardware, and reliable customer support, VIKIO Home is a smart and stylish kitchen upgrade. Number 5. IKTCH 30-inch Wall Mount Range Hood 900 CFM Ducted or Ductless Convertible Kitchen Chimney Vent Touch Control. Upgrade your kitchen with the sleek and powerful IKTCH 30-inch Wall Mount Range Hood, designed for both performance and modern aesthetics. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this range hood features a contemporary look and innovative gesture sensing control for a hands-free experience. With a high-powered 900 CFM airflow, it effortlessly removes smoke, grease, and odors, keeping your kitchen fresh even during heavy-duty cooking. Choose from 4-speed fan settings to customize suction and noise levels, with whisper-quiet operation starting at just 40 decibel and a max of 65 decibel. Equipped with adjustable dual 3-watt LED lights, it ensures your cooktop is always well lit while saving energy. The ducted or ductless convertible design offers flexible installation options, and the included remote control adds convenience. The 2 dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters provide long-lasting grease and oil filtration for easy maintenance. Whether you're renovating or upgrading, the IKTCH range hood brings style, smart features, and serious ventilation power to any kitchen. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.